College Hall. Today we're going to show you what facilities we have available for your wedding. I'm just going to take you through to the 1776 Grand Ballroom and Champagne Lounge. Okay. So what we're walking into now is the Champagne Lounge. This is actually the original library of the historic house. So on your left you've got the marble table, and on your wedding day this is typically used for things like guest book, post box, any gifts, things like that. What happens if you arrive from a church or following your civil ceremony, this is where the drinks reception would take place as well. So we have the drinks just laid on the table here in the little shape of a love heart, and the idea is that everyone grabs a drink and heads outside while they're having photos and things like that taken. We've got the private bar in here as well, so this is for sole use of your guests throughout the day. Main photos and everything, as I say, would be on the gardens outside, and I'm just going to take you to have a look at those now. So after your ceremony, you can come out with your drinks onto the lawns, which is one of our most main attractions, and do your drinks receptions and photos and everything like that. You've got the oak tree over there, which is a great spot, fountains in the middle as well, and then you've also got the backdrop of the building just behind me, and we do overlook the lovely lakes at the back as well. So we're now in the 1776 Grand Ballroom. As you can see, it's got a stunning ceiling in here. So this is where all the main events happen for the day. We are actually licensed for civil ceremonies for up to 90 people, and then following that we can carry out all the turnover for the wedding breakfast, which you've got a bit of insight into what that looks like today. The maximum of round tables in here is up to 76 people, and that works with 6 round tables of 11 and a top table of 10. We can also cater for higher numbers as well, up to 90 people, and that's an E-shaped layout, so the top table rests against the back windows and we have legs coming out that way. Decor-wise, decor-wise possibilities are endless. We can put you in touch with recommended suppliers, and that can be completely up to you. These are the chairs we're using here, so they're quite nice chairs, you don't necessarily need anything. A lot of people just tend to put a sash on. Centerpieces, name cards, favours, everything like that, we will set out for you in the turnover time. We just don't provide them personally in-house. The 4 flowers that you can see in the alcoves around the rooms, they are always here, they're ours. Okay. As we move on to the evening, what we do is take out the top table at the front and 2 of the round tables, and then from your fireplace onwards, this space turns into a dance floor area. Anything like a DJ, band, they would set up their equipment through the doors at the back and set it up essentially behind the pillars, and in that time you have use of the Champagne Lounge that we looked at originally to have a bit of downtime before guests arrive. So when the evening guests arrive, so then what happens in the evening is the buffet table's laid up where the drink reception initially was in the day, and then the door between the 2 rooms is propped open, so you get a really nice flow for up to 150 people. Some people dancing, some seating in here, quite seating in the Champagne Lounge, and your buffet, drinks and bar, so people can flow really nicely between the 2 spaces.